नैनो वाले ने
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Let's learn this eyeliner look today. This is the method I personally use. It works well for my eyes because I have an almond shaped, slightly deep set eye, so I prefer a small, elegant wing. These are the tools that I'm going to use today. I have a curler, an eyeliner pen, a mascara, and a kajal. The first step is to find the wing angle. I start by placing my eyeliner from the outer corner of my eye, imagining a line towards the tail of my eyebrow. This gives me the direction of the wing. I don't draw the line yet, I simply use it as a guide. So the step 2 is to mark the wingtip. I place a tiny dot where I want the wing to end. This isn't a fixed point, I choose where my upper eyelid crease naturally ends at the outer corner. This gives me the wing that follows my eye shape. Now the step 3 is to draw the lower edge. I connect the dot back towards the outer corner, following the natural extension of my lower lash line. This creates the lower edge of the wing. Now the step 4 is to find the upper edge. I look straight into the mirror and find where my eyeball ends on the upper lash line. I place a tiny mark there and then connect it to the wingtip. This creates the upper edge of the wing. Step 5 is to fill it in. So just simply fill in the space. That's a subtle everyday look, keeping the wing short and close to my natural eye shape. Always keep a micellar water and a q-tip handy so that in case you go out of the line, you can just clean it up as I'm doing here. So once the outline looks balanced, simply fill in the upper lash line, following very closely to your lash line. I just simply keep it really close, and just as a finishing touch to the eyeliner, I take the felt tip and pinch my nose and gently extend it into my inner corners, very lightly, because I'm not drawing a lower eyeliner here, so this is just for my upper eyeliner. It's very subtle, you can't even see properly. The final step is tight lining. I tightline my upper waterline. It fills the gap between the lashes and gives it a more defined look. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. So just to recap, the step 1 is to find your wing angle, step 2 is to mark the wingtip, and the step 3 is to connect to that wingtip. Step 4 is finding the upper edge. Step 5 is filling it in, and the step 6 is tight lining. This placement is customized for my eye shape. If you have hooded eyes, round eyes, monolids or downturned eyes, the angle and the position of that wing may need to change. For example, hooded eyes often suit a slightly straighter wing rather than one that follows the crease too closely. There are plenty of ways to do the eyeliner, but this is the technique that gives me most consistent results. So I hope these tips help. Find the placement that complements your own eyes, and then practice. Because trust me, practice is the only thing that can make this perfect. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks a lot. Love you all, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.